Nearly 3/4 of our planet is covered by oceans, but not much is known about what lies beneath the surface. The ocean gives us so much more than just a beautiful place to hang out on a sunny day. It makes more than half of the oxygen in the world, helps keep the climate stable, and takes in 50% more carbon dioxide than our atmosphere. It has a lot of different kinds of wildlife and plants. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the 7 bizarre facts about the ocean. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. 1. There's only one ocean, not 7. There is only one global ocean, even though different cultures in the past and today have given different names to the world's oceans and divided them up into distinct categories. All of the world's major water basins, the Arctic, Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, and Southern, share water with one another thanks to currents that circulate across the entire planet. This indicates that the events that take place in one region can influence those that take place in other regions. 2. Most of Earth's life is aquatic. According to some estimates made by scientists, the ocean is home to as much as 80% of all life on Earth. However, our understanding of the incredible diversity of life is extremely limited. According to the World Register of Marine Species, there are around 250,000 different species of marine life that have been discovered so far. However, considering that new species are discovered daily, it is possible that this number represents less than 10% of all the species that live in the ocean. 3. The hottest water is at the bottom of the ocean. Hydrothermal vents located in the frigid depths emit water that is as hot as 750 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 OC. The habitats around these hot springs in the depths of the ocean are chemically distinct from one another, and as a result, odd colonies of microbes have formed there. These settlements are able to endure even though it is extremely hot, the water is quite toxic, and there is no access to artificial light. 4. Silver fissure. It is only in this one location around the globe that it is possible to swim through space between 2 continents. It is located right smack dab in the heart of Iceland. At this location, the Eurasian plate and the North American plate collide, resulting in the formation of fissure that can be as deep as 63 meters. Because of this, the plates in the Earth are being more strained with each passing year as the crack continues to grow by 2 centimeters. Earthquakes are what finally let out all of this pent-up anxiety. Fresh water is often referred to as the clearest water on Earth due to the fact that it allows visibility up to 100 meters into its depths. Even though the water temperature can dip to as low as 2 degrees Celsius, the fissure is nevertheless a popular location for snorkeling and diving due to the reasons stated above. 5. The ocean bottom is a very noisy place. Although we may picture the depths of the ocean to be a quiet place, scientists who have listened to reports that there is almost always noise present in these regions have found that there is almost always noise present in these regions. Sound travels through water at a far faster rate and for a further distance than it does through air due to water's significantly higher density. In the depths of the ocean, you might hear earthquakes rumbling in the distance, whales moaning, shrimp cracking, and typhoons forcing waves to build. All of these sounds come from different parts of the ocean. The decibel levels of the sounds produced by people have increased over the past several decades, which has proven to be damaging to marine fauna all over the world. In particular, this trend has been observed in oceans. 6. The planet's longest mountain chain is underwater. The mid-ocean ridge is the most notable example of a geological feature that can be found anywhere on our planet. It is a line of underwater volcanoes that runs around the Earth for a total distance of 40,389 miles, making it roughly 10 times longer than the Andes mountain range. This arc of volcanoes is known as the Ring of Fire. Iceland, which was created by the eruption of volcanoes millions of years ago, is one of the few sites in the world where it is possible to stand on a ridge without getting wet. This is because Iceland was produced by volcanic eruptions. 7. Anglerfish, Lophiiformes. In Finding Nemo, you could have caught a glimpse of an anglerfish. Anglerfish are distinguished by the presence of a fishing rod on the top of their heads, which can illuminate. The glow that they emit in the dark waters in which they reside attracts fish that are unaware of the danger they are about to face, which the anglerfish can then consume with its enormous mouth. The male anglerfish are unable to accomplish this task because they rely on their pointed teeth to secure themselves to the much larger female anglerfish. Over time, he merges his identity with that of the female and gradually loses all of his organs, with the exception of those that are necessary for reproduction. This fish, which has an appearance similar to that of an extraterrestrial, is in risk of becoming extinct since it is prized as a delicacy in certain regions of the world. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.